Here's the answer for day 2, problem 1. Polygon is graphed below. It is reflected over the line x equals -2. Graph the image. First, we need to find the line x equals -2. Here's where x is -2. And the line x equals -2 is a vertical line crossing the x-axis at that number, -2. Every dot on this vertical line has an x-coordinate of -2, and that's why we say the equation is x equals -2. We want to flip this four-sided shape to the other side of that vertical line. Now point W and point S are on the line of reflection. They're not going to move anywhere when you flip the shape over. Point I will end up landing here, 3 units to the right of the line of reflection. This is called I prime. Point P will land here, 2 units to the right of the line of reflection. This is called P prime. S prime is exactly where S is, and W prime is exactly where W is. Now let's draw the shape. Hopefully you can see that our four-sided shape is congruent to the original, but it's the mirror image of the original shape. Now there is a question B to this, which a lot of people forgot to do on the last quiz. What are the coordinates of P prime? Well, here in the exact center of the grid is the origin, and P prime is 2 units below the origin, so it is 0, -2. Day 2, problem 2. Triangles are drawn below. Congruent parts are marked. Are the triangles congruent? This is a yes or no question. On the last quiz, there were several students that never even answered the question yes or no. The two triangles share this side down the middle, and there isn't a mark on there. I'm going to put my own mark on there just to remind myself that this is a pair of shared sides. Now, focusing my attention on one of the triangles, every time I see a mark, I'm going to put a capital S to tell me that there is a pair of congruent sides. So that mark right there, I'm going to write an S by it. This triple mark, I'm going to write another S. And then that little X that I had made, I'm going to write an S there. Is SSS a congruence postulate? And the answer is yes, it is. So first, we're going to answer the question yes. And then we're going to give the reason. That's the side, side, side postulate.